friends, welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today again both Nifty and Bank Nifty fell like anything. Both of them opened with a decent amount of gap up, and we thought, or rather I thought, that we would not fill the gap or we would not fall down, but uh, show probably the recovery that we call it as a pullback. So I was expecting a pullback, but however that did not happen and market came down heavily. So what next is the question. So if you look at the daily chart, we already have about 5 red candles. So there is a technical analysis that a trend which continues on the same side. So usually you shouldn't be trading uh, more than 3 days the same trend, or sometimes it can be up to 5 days also. So we expect that it's already 5 days, and we could maybe look for maybe a pullback or maybe a halt tomorrow, and it's also expiry tomorrow. So let's see how the market moves. Okay, and similarly, Nifty uh, broke 17,000 today decisively, and also in Nifty we have 5 red candles. So what next is the question. So let's look at the participant data first, and that would give us a fair idea of how we should be planning tomorrow. So if you look at FI's positions, FIs have closed about 3,700 long positions in the futures, and they have also closed about 4,500 shorts. So the amount of shorts that they have, uh, they are not booking any profits in those shorts. Like I said in my yesterday's video and also a week ago, I had mentioned that these short positions in the index futures from FIs doesn't seem to be a uh, positions that has been taken due to speculation, but those are something which has been taken due to a hedge to their portfolio. They are probably sensing something bad or something worst coming ahead, and due to which they have hedged their portfolio is what we could understand. Uh, so we are already seeing a lot of negative news around the world, like the first was the SEBI Bank and now the Credit Suisse. So let's see if we have catered all these things in, or are we expecting more fall or something which we'll see in the coming days. Okay, if we look at the options, index call is net short because they have closed about 56,400 long in the call options, and they have created about 2,957 shorts. So this is nothing, not a big number, but overall the net positions is call short. And however, today FIs have closed a lot of put longs somewhere around 22,500, and they have roughly added about 45,000 put shorts. So at this place, FI seems to be a little bullish. I would not say bullish, but they are probably looking for a halt or maybe a pullback. That's the reason we could see some put shorts, and they have also closed some future shorts. And even if you look at the stock futures, they have closed some future shorts. Okay. And apart from this, in the cash market also, they did not sell pretty heavily today, though market fell down so bad, but FI has only sold about 1,200 crores in the cash market. So looking at these data, at least for tomorrow, everything seems to be decent, and from the FI's perspective, we don't see anything that the more fall is going to come tomorrow. Okay, so now we'll get back to the charts and understand what are the important levels that we have and how should we be trading tomorrow. I would also like you to see the option chain. What is good or significant here is basically if you look at Bank Nifty, the PCR value yesterday it was around 0.59 and today it is around 0.53. And you should know that 0.5 to 0.5, 0.45 to 0.5, these are reversal uh, indications to the market, and we are already close to it in the PCR levels, and we should see some reversal or maybe a pullback or a halt tomorrow is what the entire data says. Okay, so let's quickly check out Bank Nifty's level. So like I said, Bank Nifty fell down sharply. On a daily chart, it is like a bearish engulfing chart candlestick pattern, but you should also know that bearish engulfing is a trend reversal candle, and we usually spot this on a resistance. And right now we are already around some support areas, and we have fallen so heavily. This bearish engulfing doesn't really matter to us at this point of time. So if we look at Bank Nifty, we have you know touched 39,000 and closed somewhere around 39,000. Uh, During the intraday, we definitely broke 39,000, but however, we managed to close somewhere about that. If you look at SGX Nifty, we are about 63 points negative, and Nasdaq and Dow Jones are trying to settle themselves. And so tomorrow, if we open gap down, say we open around 38,800 or 38,850, uh, the best thing is we need. So what I'm expecting is, like I said, we are probably expecting a reversal or maybe a halt candle tomorrow. So all that we want is, if we open gap down, we want Bank Nifty to fall a bit in the morning, and then the Fibonacci 1.618. If we see some sort of a reversal, then we could definitely go for a call trade, and we could expect it to fill the gap around 39,000. Okay, so maybe we open around 38,800, and we give a dip until 38,600, and then we show a recovery and close somewhere near 39,000. And like I always say, on an expiry day, everything is more about, or the expiry day game is more about the round number. So if we open below 39,000, obviously we'll see 39,000 call writers getting aggressive here. So the best thing is to see a dip first, because pros have call shorts, and as soon as they would have come to know that FIs have put shorts, so any gap down opening, pros would definitely want to cover their shorts. Okay, so gap down, firstly we need some more dip or some more selling, and then we'll look for a reversal. Okay, and if we open gap down and if we come and fill the gap immediately, then that is going to be a problem. uh, Sooner or later we may see the market going down once again. Any gap up opening, not an issue. uh, we will see how it fills the gap and reacts at the gap. uh, if we fill the gap and we just let me show you an example. I think I should have opened this epic pen earlier. So what I mean to say here is basically, where's the pen? Just a moment, it's loading up. I don't know, for some reason this laptop has become a little slower. Okay, yeah. So I said, if we say if we are opening here somewhere and we give a dip, and if we see a reversal at this place, as soon as this red candle with the two green candles, this level is taken out, we could go for a call here. Okay, and this is also about 39,000, so we could see some recovery until 39,300 at least. So we could trade a 300 points on the upside if we open gap down and fill the gap. Okay, and if we open flat and if we go down, then this is a problem. We could take a short position once we cross this low, but with a lesser quantity, and we may have to book it somewhere close to 38,800 to 700, and just see when the market tries to reverse. Okay, and if we open flat and if we go up, then obviously we'll go for a put trade. Okay, so this is my plan on Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let's quickly check out Nifty. The Nifty broke an important level of 17,000. So tomorrow, if we open gap down, so obviously the 17,000 call writers and the 16 950 call writers will get aggressive here. So if we open say somewhere around 16,900, then again we would wait for it to fall a bit, and there is some strong support near 16,840. Okay, you will not see a line here because I've kept a line somewhere close to 16,752, but however 840 to 800 area is also strong support. And if we see any sort of reversal, and if this level comes at 1.618, then obviously looking at some point of a reversal, we'll try to take a call trade, maybe to fill the gap until 16,980. Okay, this is the plan for if we open gap down, and any gap up opening, same thing like Bank Nifty, we will wait for it to fill the gap, and once it closes above 16,980, we will try to go for a call trade, expecting it to go up to 17,087, which is the VWAP level. Market will be bullish about this level, but not expecting the market to recover so much tomorrow. So let's see. Flat opening, like I said, it could be confusion. If we break this low, we could take a lesser quantity trade. But if we open flat and if we start moving up, and if we go until 17,040 or 050, I would definitely go for a put here because market is bearish, and any flat opening and a retracement or a pullback on the upside will be taken as an opportunity to sell. This is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Sorry for the late video. The data came in late and I was also busy a bit. So sorry guys, but do watch the video, like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.